Hey guys, how's you doing today? I'm your host Triple C, and today I'm doing a video that I accidentally erased, so I'm gonna redo it right now. How's everyone doing today? This one is about a 3D printing store, Pixisdesign. I accidentally erased this video, so I'm gonna redo it. He does amazing vehicles for classified that I would like to talk about, and he does it on Etsy. For you've all seen my buzzboard, and you've all seen my roller that he's done, and he did the doors and the missile turret for my tiger sting. Sorry, and he sells them at his store on Etsy, but he also sells a lot of other things on his store too. Like this one, he has like a couple big items that he sells. This one is $530. It's called his Super Wraith. His Super Wraith is huge, holds 2 people in the front, 4 people in the back, plus it has storage in the back. It comes in red and black or green and black, and it's pretty awesome looking. It's a hovercraft with fans on it, and the fans do rotate. There is a little hook that can come out, so you can tie a string to, so they can lower and raise. But there's no mechanism. It's just so you can put a string there, and then the back opens up, and you can store stuff inside of it. Here it is in green and black, and this is $530. But you can get any colors you want. You just gotta specify what colors you want it in. And here's the back of it. He also has another pretty big vehicle that he does. This one is the Ripsaw. The Ripsaw, he has several versions of this. He has a Scorpion for $235, Wolverine for $245, Troop Carrier for $225, and Arctic Ripsaw for $265. And he has a Dreadnought version for $285. The Arctic version is really sweet. It has a place to store the skis, and it has a dual Gatling cannon on the front, has a snowplow in the front, has a barrage missile in the back there. That one is the Arctic version for $265. Then there's the troop transport one. That one is $225. That's the troop transport. Holds four people in the back, plus one at the gun and one in the seat. Then there's the Wolverine for $245. His version of the Wolverine. It's a 1-seater. It's pretty big. You can see the size of it compared to classified figures. Then there's the Scorpion. The Scorpion has a single cannon on the back, 2 Gatling cannons on the front, and a snowplow on the front. And that one is $235 for the Scorpion. And then he has the Dreadnought version, which is $285, which I'm going to show as soon as I can find it. refresh if I do this. Yeah, the dreaded version is pretty sweet. It comes in two different color palettes, but it has 4 gallon cans on the front with 1 on the back. Where is it? There it is. It comes in red and blue, so it will match the Thunder Machine when it comes out, or you can get it in Dreadnought colors. Lime green and sea blue. It also has a can on the back here, and 4 Gatling cannons. There, and 2 on the other side. Holds 1 person here, 1 person, and the Gatling cannon, and then 4 people on the side of the Gatling cannon. Let me. Alright. And then he has his version of the what is this? Of a buzzboard, which you guys see that on my channel already. Hold on. Sorry guys. But you can get it in lots of different colors. There's the regular color for it, the red and black one, Arctic, and Iron Grenadiers. Now, none of these have wheels at the bottom. The thing does roll, but it's smooth at the bottom, so you just push it and slides on the ground. But it doesn't have wheels or anything. But the blades do roll. It has 2 missiles and 2 cannons on the other side. Missiles on one side, cannon on the other side. And it holds 1 character. It's a nice vehicle, though. And then he also has the Dreadnought Skiff. The Skiff, I believe that's what it's called. And that comes in a variety of colors, too. Red and black and red is traditional. But like I said, you can give him any colors you want. You can customize any color you want. Just you gotta talk to him. And those are $60 just give $100 for the buzzboard. And none of this includes shipping, and none of this includes tax, just so you guys know. Then he has his own despoiler that he does for Destro, and he also these are the Iron Grenadier Black, no symbols, is $90. Cobra Guard White is $80. Black with stickers is $105. So you can get the Iron Grenadier decked out one in the back for $105, and these are $80, and then 80. Yeah, and then the regular black one, plain black one, is $90. The white was pretty good. It was good in white. But that Iron Grenadier one is pretty sweet. Then he has his own flat cannon that he... No, stop. That he does. It comes in different prices and different... because there's one that's a Shockwave version. It's purple. And it looks like Shockwave in his gun mode. There's one that looks like a Megatron gun. And then there's this one, the regular flat cannon. Then let's see. Those are the Razorback. I was wrong. It's not $100. It's $85 for the Razorback. All right, and then he has his own swamp skier. It is. This one is pretty cool because it transforms kind of because the pontoons go up and the propellers go back. This is a swamp skier. And you can turn it into a boat or a little hovercraft boat, and that also it comes in other colors too. That's my favorite version right there. It would be great for the 78. And then, okay, the swamp skier is $100 for that. And then there's the Locust that he has. The Locust is $175. It has either a long tail or a short tail. It comes in red, black, or black and red. This is the black and red version with a short tail. And then this is the red and black one with the long tail. And then you can get the red one also with short tail or the black one with long tail if you want. Then he has his own watchtower that he does, and this one's actually really sweet because he did it in Cobra colors or G.I. Joe colors, and the G.I. Joe one is just green with the star on it. Now, it does not come with those barricades. You see, it only comes with the watchtower itself. And the watchtower itself is $80. Which isn't bad for that. It shows you that. Now, he also has his own pack rat, which is $85. It comes in a variety of colors. There's the desert tan one, a cobra blue one, a 78 colored one. That's a G.I. Joe green one, Arctic one, and a gray one. I don't know what that would really, but it's gray. And here's the. Now all these are on Pixisdesign site at Etsy. It's Pixisdesign. Pixisdesigns with an S. And you all seen my roller, so this is $100 for this vehicle. Mine's in black and red for Night Force. Then he has two super vehicles that he does. I'm gonna say the best for last, but let me find his super vehicle. Do I still have it? I do not have it anymore. He has a Rolling Thunder that he does, and it is very impressive. There it is. This thing is, I think, almost 4 feet long. Over 4 feet when it expands. But it's freaking huge. He calls it his hurricane because he instead of having turrets that sit in, he has missile turrets here. He has multiple cannons here, not just one. He has a cover right here that the original one didn't have. And you can put a light inside of it if you wanted to. But, and that roller actually rolls up into it. When the missiles are down, that roller can roll right in there. That's how big this thing is. I mean, just so you can get an idea, this is the roller, and it actually rolls up inside this thing. That is pretty impressive. And this is close. It's $1,700 for this. That should include shipping, if I'm not mistaken. You gotta talk to him about that. Depending on where you live. But yeah, it takes him these are made to order, so he doesn't have them on hand. You can get them in a variety of colors if you want. Like, if I ordered one, it'd be in this color to match this. Or I get an Iron Grenadier one for Destro. Or a green and gold one for Serpentor. That might be a good one too. But, yeah. Anyway, I only have room for one of these if I got one, because these things are freaking huge. But then I saved the best for last. Like I said, that takes him about a little over a month to make that and ship it to you. Then there's this one. This is my favorite vehicle, and I can't believe he actually did this. This is the Demon. The Demon is $550 plus shipping and handling and tax. I believe you can get this in any colors you want, but the regular Demon itself is unbelievable. Unbelievable. I love the Demon. I was hoping beyond hope that this HasLab would have been the Demon this year, but I'm happy with the Rattler. And this, here's the back of it. On the side. And it also does go up. It stands up, basically. Now, okay, size-wise for this, when it's as low as height, it's 12 inches deep, 24 inches wide, 11.5 inches tall. At its highest setting, it's 12 inches deep, 18 inches wide. This will stay up when the legs are closed, and then 14 inches high. So there you go. And it's a pretty awesome vehicle. Now the missiles on it are fragile. So he says be careful with the missiles, but because of the materials are made out of gold, the golden color, for some reason, gold's always been weak. Even in metal, you would think gold would be strong, but it's not. Gold's one of the weakest metals there is. It's funny how that's true for even the plastics or filaments that they make for 3D printing. You can fit 3 characters in the cockpit, and then 1 in the spoiler. And I believe that the spoiler is supposed to come with it too, but you gotta talk to him about that. Just ask if it comes with it or not. I believe it does for $550. But yeah, that's it, guys. Sorry I had to do this video, but I accidentally erased it when I was trying to upload another video, and it that video wouldn't work, so I had to erase that video, and I accidentally clicked this video. So, thank you for watching, guys. Have a great day. See you guys next time. Bye, guys.